Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to use Deepstash app. Let's get started. First, download the Deepstash from your App Store or Google Play Store. It's free to get started. And once installed, open the app and sign up. You can use your email, Google, or Facebook account. Super easy. And after signing up, Deepstash will ask what you want to learn about, like productivity, health, finance, or leadership. Pick a few topics you like so the app can personalize your feed. Now you're in. The home screen shows idea cards, short, easy to read insights from books, articles, podcasts, and videos. You can scroll through the topics like time management, motivation, self improvement, and more. You can organize into folders like work tips or life hacks, and if you want to share your ideas, you can also create. Just click the Create tab and choose the source like a book or video, or write a short takeaway. Deepstash also tracks your learning streaks, making it feel like social network for learning. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.